So today is going to be a very special day. That's why I thought to record this day. I want to keep it as a memory with me. Today I'm going to do a ramp walk. It's an office event, and the best part is that I'm representing my state, that is Uttar Pradesh. So the theme of the ramp walk is that you have to carry the costume of your state, which is assigned to you, and then you have to do some basic dance steps. So I'm very bad in dance. Yesterday I learned some basic steps. I have never danced. Like, I want to dance, but my mind is not able to sync with my body. But yesterday somehow I managed to learn few basic steps. I don't know how it will come out in the real stage, but I'm quite excited. So today is going to be a hectic day. Just now I came back from gym. I wanted to skip the gym today, but I thought that I will feel bad because evening we have a party also, so I will eat something not very healthy. So I thought, let's balance it out. And today there is a client visit as well, so we need to reach office early. I do have some important meeting as well because yesterday we got some issues, so I was fixing it. It's not fixed yet, so I need to attend few important meetings. Then we have a town hall, which is also very important because it is like, if it is virtual then we should have skipped it. All the client members are coming, so physical presence is mandatory there, so I need to attend that as well. Then after that I need to get ready with my attire and reach by 6. I feel very awkward recording in public, but I will try to record it, and let's see how this video comes out. Since I'm just starting my day, so I thought to record the baseline of this video, that what this video is going to be about. So yeah, let's see how much I'll be able to record. I just got ready and this is my OTD for the day. So I just got ready for the office and my hairs are still wet. I don't have time to try them. It's already late, 9:46. I need to reach by 9:30. she is Marwari. So how are you feeling?
Rajputi.
Oh no. she is from UP, but she got married to Rajasthan. Yeah. So
पधारो हमारे देश.
very nice. She's giving a vibe कि वो वही की है. So yeah, tell me how you're feeling today.
Very good.
The best part, we're representing our culture.
Exactly.
So she's from
Not at all related to South India, but totally obsessed with the dress and the food.
Tell me what's the best part?
About
What's the best part for this event?
getting ready for the starters. Going for the ramp walk, I guess.
For the starter,
We all enjoy.
he's searching the Kashmiri dialogue. Did you got something?
Mahara.
What?
It's a dialogue for Kashmiri to welcome in India. Welcome to India, like I'm just welcoming others to
Okay,
India. in Kashmiri language.
okay.
In Kashmiri language, like Walayu Mahara.
So how you feeling getting ready in Kashmiri attire?
I'm totally looking like a Kashmiri.
You're looking very pretty.
I'm feeling Kashmiri now because of this dress.
Okay. Marathi mulgi. No, tell us, say something in Marathi. And then explain in Hindi. Oh my God.
नमस्कार मंडळी.
Oh.
I'm the only one who
So-
so easy है.
Madhya Pradesh and Goa is practicing a lot. Like,
Madhya Pradesh.
oh, sorry.
Gujarat.
Gujarat, sorry. Gujarat. So, Goa, tell me how you feeling.
I'm feeling like what is the tagline?
Go go.
Go. She is Gujarati. So, where is your chundri?
I'm ditching the chundri. ऐसे ही जाकर के बस जलवा दिखा दूंगी. बस देख लो.
She is the one who taught everyone how to dance. So, thank you so much.
भूल रहे हैं हम तो.
He's from Assam. Tell me why are you looking so innocent today with Assamese attire? Yeah.
It's a very small area. I'm the only one who is representing East of India.
Yeah.
I think I've never visited, but it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. And you're looking so beautiful today. Yeah.
We all know that everybody on this planet really serves something.
यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ, वाला ठुमका लगाओ,
I came back, I was not able to record a lot of things because firstly I thought that I got late. Like I reached the venue by 6:30 only, and in the mail which I got, the timing was written that exactly 6:30 p.m. the function will be started. So as usual, like there are a lot of people to sync up, so the function was not started on time, so I was lucky. But I was so much tensed in between that I'm late, so I was not feeling like to record. A lot of things happened that it was feeling like a family, like all the girls of my Odissi were there. We were just getting ready together, and it was fun actually. So there were some people who came late, so they were so tense, nervous, and the performance was so good. Like we have not expected that actually the performance will come out so good. Everyone was praising very, like the outfits, the everything was so perfect, and it got synced up at the last moment very perfectly. So I'm so happy. Like on the backstage we were celebrating that yeah, it went so well. First time when I have to go to the stage, I was feeling like why I chose to dance. Like you know, there's a stage fear. Why I'm doing this? I was feeling so nervous. I was shivering, like my heartbeat went so fast. Then I thought that let's think there's no one sitting in front of you, and you just go do whatever you want. If you will forget the step also, just stand there so that the grace shouldn't be gone. So I did like my performance. It was not that bad. So when I completed my performance and went backstage, I was feeling so confident and I wanted to perform again. For dance performance, we had snacks, we had dinner, and we had a lot of photo sessions. And then DJ night, we danced so well, and then I came back home. It was truly a very like once in a lifetime experience. I will never forget it, and I can tell everyone that I did a ramp walk. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope maybe you find it interesting, and you can check out other vlogs on my channel, and if you like something, then consider subscribing. Till next time, bye bye.